If you've got chicken, rice, and one pan, you've got dinner. And not just any dinner, we're talking crispy, juicy chicken on top of garlic-infused rice, all baked to perfection without a single can of cream of whatever. This is my crispy chicken and rice bake. It's budget-friendly, pantry-friendly, and full of real flavor. No shortcuts, no weird ingredients, just a dinner that feels like home with better seasoning. We start with bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. You want flavor? Leave that skin on. In a large oven-safe skillet or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Season the chicken thighs with salt, pepper, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Because we don't do bland in this kitchen, sear skin side down for 4 or 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. That sizzle, that's your kitchen saying you're doing great, sweetie. Set the chicken aside, then throw diced onion and garlic into the same pan. Don't you dare clean it. That's where the flavor lives. Toast some long grain white rice in all those pan juices. Stir in the rice and toast for 1 minute. Pour in your chicken broth and nestle the chicken right on top. Skin side up, always. Soggy chicken skin is a sin. Cover the pan tightly with foil or a lid and transfer to the oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil and continue baking for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is tender and the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Now listen, here's your mini soul snack. Sometimes life gets uncomfortable before it gets good. Let it simmer. What you're cooking up. It takes time, but it's worth the wait. This one-pan baked chicken and rice is perfect for busy weeknights, meal prep, or when you need something warm, easy, and comforting. For the full written recipe, nutrition info, and all the cozy details, head to kelvinskitchen.com.